to us. OG sold it, OG called Kingpin. The those are drug lords and who are we then? Hope is a real nigga's dream. My only goal to make a real nigga feel seen. Sometimes I make a fake nigga hate life. Never my intentions, the consequences of my way of life. The way we used to play with life, I'm now careful with the sentences. Them only jail bars of life. I never wanted to be the state's custodian. The laws are draconian. With those married to the life, it's holy matrimonian. Somehow I outfox every box that try to throw me in. With great ceremony, yeah. Folk in them told me how Holly Caddy spoke of him. And bloke in them from London, Harrow Road, Western End. I have you speaking to the souls of men. Those of them willing to die for the existence that this cold world has chose for them. Keep the snow off of frozen Tim. Back and forth on this turnpike.
Before they ban us. Discord making me go through all this shit right now. Please click on all images containing an animal. Alright, man. Yeah, I'm a human. You can already access my camera and see my face. Alright. Twice. They didn't think that we would make it. Since we can't play any music that's actually like good, I'll just have to sit here and sing to y'all. Let's give it like 10 seconds.
Really took a toll on them. A lot of fallen soldiers on these roads of sin. Those who make the laws, I'ma always have smoke for them. I got lawyers like shooters. Working pro bono for him as a favor cause I throw him limbs. In memory of T-Lo, I pray none of your people die over jail phones again.
Damn. Can't play any good music that anybody knows. Alright. As you can see, we got some things going on. Yo, this thing dropped over London. I guess not that much. For now it's 100. I definitely have to turn those off. Start fucking sweating. Look at all these chickens. Get rid of this type of shit. You know, I almost sold US 30 right here last night. This shit is so easy, guys. Alright, daily. You kind of have a double top on the daily to a degree, as you can see here. There's 30. Boop, boop, boop. Our wicks didn't go quite as high, so kind of like a double top. Off the 500 too. You see, off the quarter point of 34,500. Let me get something in the background. Some of the same shit we've heard a million times. Alright. I'm definitely looking for a pull up to take sells. Alright, see these comments. Is any what you see on Nas on quick scalp? Touched 1 hour trend line. Fuck your quick scalp, bro. Fuck a quick scalp. Yeah, you're saying this trend line here. If you look at it like that. You don't understand what I'm doing, that's okay. I don't know why you're looking for quick scalps, bro. Like, fuck a quick scalp when you can get a trade that, you know, is 20 minutes to 4 hours. Why would you take a 5-minute scalp or something? Like, I don't understand. When you can get a 20-minute to 4-hour trade or 2-hour trade, you know, even at the longest, like, and catch a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 6, 1 to 10, whoever or however fast it moves. I just think it's kind of. I just think scalping's kind of silly. Like I get my entries like a scalper, you know. I get my entries like a scalper, but I take the overall higher time frame bias. We might be waiting until 9:30, honestly. I mean, this is pretty obvious here. This is pretty obvious. I could see us potentially coming down at least to 34,000, and then if we break that, we go to 34 or 33,800, 33,750 area. And then if we break that, we'll go and touch this MA. And then once we break this MA, we'll come down probably to like 34,500 or 33,500, 33,450 area, and then we'll come up back to touch this MA on the daily, and then we'll continue down if we get confirmation off the MA. If we make it all the way down here, if all that happens, that's how it should probably go. But anything can happen, so we're just paying attention. We're calling what we think. And if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And we react to what it does do. It's kind of crazy. Look, they both got double tops on the daily. What does that say? So you want to go down. There's double bottom. It's like a trending double bottom. Double top. This is the last double top. Look what it did. So yeah, I want sells on both of these. Let's see. I'd love to see this come up to the 1 hour and this trend line from wherever I drew this. I drew this a while ago. Yeah, I drew this on like the 4 hour or something. But look at that. Look at how that trend line lines up with that 1 hour. Yeah, man, it's pretty crazy. From like forever ago. This looks like a 38 too. No, it's a. Oh no, it's not. This is a 38 too. 61.8. Let's see what's there. Let's see what's at that point. 15,154. Got a bit of a double bottom here on the 30-minute. This is going to go up. It should. Got some structure here. 15-minute. Touching the 5-minute MA. I think we'll break above that. There's your little scalp off the double bottom on the 30-minute. Up to fucking 30 points. 20 points. Potentially. Alright, US 30 is just gonna. Oh, it's a 250. US 30 just might fucking fall off the face of the map. Because we did break the quarter point 34,250. And coming up and retesting that. So let's see. Let's see what we got. We don't got nothing telling us we want to go back up. Not yet. Oh yeah, we're gonna have the OPEC meetings all day. And volume. 9:30 volume's gonna be interesting. Look, we can't listen to the real song because we'll get a warning from YouTube. It's so dumb. I don't understand. If like you're listening to music, I just don't understand. It's like, bro, why can't you play any music anywhere you want, anytime you want? They're getting paid for it. If they're signed up with a performing rights agency, which all big artists are, they're getting paid for it. It's crazy. I don't know. and you're promoting their stuff. With Shazam nowadays, it's like there's no reason to have any copyright on anything. I mean, I understand YouTube might not have the rights to put it on their platform, but it's just, I think they need to work on that. The world as a whole. I'd really love to catch some US 30 sells, but it's not giving us much. Called that. Nasdaq 100 sells are valid too, but I like the volume of US 30. Now we just wait. Now we wait. Just tell US 30, get in anywhere you can. Okay. Should have sold this shit last night. Right there. 34,400. This is what it would have looked like. Taking these sells. Probably would have just done like probably like 15 to 20. Let's just say I did that. That's what we'd look like right now. That right there. Pretty. Should have taken it, but I didn't want anything crazy to happen with coming off the holiday. Oh well. Alright. To all the ladies in the place, with style and grace, since he can't finish the lyrics. God, it really pisses me off, bro. Like, you can't play music. It's just so dumb. So dumb. Who made these rules? It's bad for the artist, bad for the label, bad for the companies that people want to play music on. It's bad for everybody. It's just dumb. Everybody's got Shazam. They want to know what song it is. They can Shazam it. They like the song. They're gonna find out what it is. Look up the lyrics. Do whatever, you know. It's so crazy to me. Told you. I said sell US 30 wherever. Just get in. There's no signs of slowing up. We're gonna come around here and figure out where it wants to go next with this structure. Boo, 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 boo. Come on, US 30. Give me a turnaround. Give me a pull up. Give me some pull ups like you're in the Marines. Give me a pull up like you in the Marines. Give me a pull up like you in the retirement home. Give me a pull up like a newborn baby. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry. It's low-key a gem. There's the Instagram. All right. See, Nas is showing like, okay, we're gonna have some pull to the upside, you know, we're gonna do some things, possibly get an entry on Nas around like between 15,150, between 15,153 to like 15,167. There's potential in there. I'd love to see it come up and tap this at 173, which will actually be like 170 by the time it taps it probably. Or like 165. It'll be somewhere between like 164 to like 170. More than likely. It's weird because you can play knockoff songs like this and they don't give you any warning because it's different beats with the lyrics. It's just, it's annoying. Anyways. 1 hour about to close, like it wants to continue down. Literally the next one opens and goes straight down. Damn, really hope US 30 gives us a pull to the upside to get in. Oh my God. I all of a sudden don't like this for sells. I mean, the daily's still there, right? But I'd rather get into US 30 than Nas, for sure. I'll take these sells. I'd sell both. I'd sell both. Unless something else changes. Come on, US 30. My chart looks like Christmas. Come on. Give us a 250 retest, you know? Give us the 250 retest, show us some resistance there, and then let us get in. I'd love to see US 30 go whoop, bing bong, and then, but I don't think it will do that. I don't think it'll pull back that high. No pullback, no entry. Gonna quit my job and just go all in on trading. Good. Be ready to go broke. Bro 30 today flying. You think it's gonna fly today? Could be right. I don't know. I've seen that backdrop. What? What backdrop? Of what? What are you talking about? I've seen that backdrop. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Where's the sword? Is he in a trade? Somebody deleted their comment, I think. Is he in a trade right now? No, I'm not in a trade. Where's the sword? Sword by the bed. So if I ever wake up to some uncanny sounds and I don't feel like using one of the 6 automatic weapons that are next to my bed and around my bed and in my bed, then I just pull the sword. If I feel like going samurai, then I just pick up the sword and I go address the situation. Curious why you're looking for sells when the overall sentiment has been bullish. I feel like buys from 34,000 would be ideal. Just curious. Laugh myself. We needed that sword in Tulum. Yeah, facts, bro. Yo, we needed an army in Tulum. We needed a fucking army. Let's be real. Yeah, forget them guns. Let's pick up a sword. So buys from 34,000. You're gonna watch it drop 200 points to buy it. So you don't see this overall sentiment happening. You don't see this happening on the 4-hour double top, breaking the middle of that. You don't see. Now, hey, I'm just calling what I see. I'm just looking at what I see. You don't see this double top on the daily. This is the daily time frame. This is a double top, basically, right here. We didn't go as high as it did over here. We stopped, actually, almost 100 points, 80 points or so. 80, 90 points or so, like 80 points lower than we did the first time we came up this way. And you already see, boom, doji, boom, engulfing in a sense, and break down. So like we're already, this is the sentiment, bro. Like this, the last 2 weeks of data or whatever this is here, you know, is the sentiment here, or 10 days or 50, whatever it is. So that's why I would look for sells. I'd look for it to come back up here and then sell down to somewhere down around 34,000 and reanalyze and see if we're gonna go down to the 750, 770 area, 700 area. Like obviously this would be up here. This probably wouldn't do this today. I couldn't see this candle coming all the way down here today, but yeah. And Nas is, you're welcome, bro. You're welcome. So yeah, that's how I see it. Like yes, I understand we have been going up, but you know, when you take all that stuff into account, you can see what I'm talking about. This song is funny. Gold thoughts is funny. I actually opened gold earlier. I accidentally opened gold earlier and saw that. Yeah, I saw it down here and I was like, this thing's gonna buy. I saw this break up and then this like retest and I was like, this thing's gonna buy. Yeah, right here. I almost did buy gold actually. Almost. I don't really trade gold, but I saw that and I was like, oh. And I accidentally opened this, so I was like, oh, this is a sign. But I didn't take it. And this 1 hour too, I saw. This 1 hour close right here. Big break up. Retest. Continued up. Boom. And just making higher highs, higher lows. But the only thing about this gold buy would be, yeah, the 4 hour looks nice actually. You just need this to break the 1930, 1931. You need this to break up. This is a crazy candle. What the fuck? Yo, that's crazy. That's wild. Ugh. Brains, pulls, brains, pulls. All right, getting some movement to the upside. We're definitely more than likely going to be waiting for New York Open. Protect your heart. The game's a trap. Protect your heart. Shine, shine. Had my TP going to be like 34, 140-ish for the counter trend trade because around that area I see it making a higher low. Respecting that 38.2 on area, honestly, overall structure is still bullish in my opinion. Good look, I was only seeing buys due to overall bias. That counter trend tricky for me. I've been in the sell from 34, 450 area for the counter trend. Nice, good stuff. And to me, that's like, I understand what you're saying when you're saying it's counter trend, but like, yeah, this is the trend. Up, down, up, down, up. But this is the indication that it doesn't want to go up anymore, at least right now. Like, this is a big indication saying, yeah, we don't want to go up right now. You know, so is it a counter trend trade, or is it just being able to identify that we may flip the way we're trending? You know, so that's why I would be taking sells. Literally, I should have taken these at 34,400 yesterday. But I didn't want to get in literally because of the holiday, and just I didn't want to have crazy volume come in. It's NFP week, crazy shit happens. So I know what this should do, and that's what it's doing. We'll obviously get more confirmation at 9:30 what we're wanting to do between like 9:30 to like 11. You know, we'll really get that answer. But Yeah, I mean, look, oh, we're trending up. Oh, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Oh, what's happening? Oh, we go down. Oh, we still kind of think we're in a uptrend. We didn't really. Oh, okay, we're going up. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you could have peeped this up here or right here. They're probably gonna go down once we didn't make this higher high. Like, yeah, we kept a higher low, but we broke down. Like, you could have really figured out right here that this was not going to continue up. Once you got this candle and this close, you could see on the lower time frame in here on the 34,100 or whatever that you could have taken these sells, and people would be like, oh, but like we're still like overall like looks like we're bullish, kind of like, right? This is kind of funky, but overall somebody still might say, oh, we're still pretty bullish, right? Nah, like to me that's like that's a wonky, shitty looking double top on the daily, kind of. But yeah, so it's kind of a similar thing, right? Or like right here, like you could be like, oh, we're trending down, you know, lower low, lower high, lower low with the closure, lower high, lower low, lower high. We don't get a lower low right here. We didn't get a higher high right here. Now do you see what I'm talking about? Do you see what I'm talking about? Remember, we're on the daily. We're not on a fucking 5-minute, guys. We're on the daily time frame with this. So we're not on a 5 minute saying, oh, the trend's changing. Oh, no, it doesn't matter. This is the daily. We don't get a lower low. We don't get a higher high. We get our closures above this. Yes, we got closures above this. So that's the only concern, but our wicks didn't go as high. And you can see how we're acting right now. And don't get me wrong, we could grab down and continue pushing up. Nothing says this is 100% of the time. Nothing says it works 100% of the time. But I'm just giving you examples of, look, this is the daily. This is a big thing to have basically a double top on the daily. Just like it's basically to have a double bottom on the daily, a big thing. And what do you usually do when you have double bottom, double top? You break that middle point. At least you break that middle point. So broke that middle point, boom. If you got into buys somewhere around here, somewhere down here even, you know, you held it past to the middle, top of the middle point. Let's just say you got in at the bottom of these candles. The closure open of this candle. Let's say you got in at 32,900. Well, you get out at 32,250-ish. So 350 points. You know, over the course of like a day or two. And then if you held, once you saw we were breaking this on lower time frames, if you held, stop loss, break even, whatever, chilling, bro, like that day you're lit. You know, almost 1,000 points. You got in somewhere down here with other confirmations, and you got even more. You see we're pulling up. I'm always ready to be wrong, bro, but like I just try to take into account everything I see now on the higher time frames and listen to those. You know, it's coming up. Some scissor. Sipping on some scissor. We're at the 250 now. So 34,250 is a quarter point. So we may see some play around this area. This could be. The only thing is this already is sold quite a bit, so it's just a little interesting. Yeah, this could be the grab. This could be like your little pull up to 34,250 and then continue down. Let me see. Let me see something. Yeah, I think we're due for. Yeah, we're due for potentially a bigger pull up. Let's see. But you could, if you want to be risky, if you want to be risky before 9:30. Get in somewhere around here. This is very risky. I'm not doing this, but get out somewhere between 34,100 to 34,165, or let it run down to 34,000 quarter point. Because the idea is once you break one quarter point, you're going to the next. So breaking that 34,250, we didn't really fully break it because I give it about 50 points either way. So yeah, we are retesting it now. Taking this trade is definitely like a little bit of a chase. I don't like doing that. It's like, oh, I'm trying to get into this move. It could happen. Watch, we could not. We may just never go above that 250. Watch, with 930 volume, we may just never even go above that and just tank. But something else I'm seeing on my phone is we are pretty sold off right now. So isn't a good sign to continue selling off continuously, but let's see. Fucking get it, man. I said, live W trading right now. Look, I could be right about this 250, or I could be wrong. But I don't want to be right or wrong. I want to be smart. That's the difference. That's the difference. Man, I gotta fucking renew my trading view. Bang, man. And what could potentially happen is we see our move, whether it be to the upside or downside, at 9:30 happen. We see like a move happen, like we see it decide, right? And then we just get in on the retest. This might actually be a fire ass trade right here. We'll see. 9:30 volume's coming, but we'll see. Oh man. Did not get to sleep early enough. That's for sure. We haven't had a red July in 17 years. Wow, that's interesting to think about. Damn. I don't know, with everything going on in the world right now, bro, we might have red July this month. Might be a red July. I mean, look at the world. Look at the state of the world. She held it down so she got a Mercedes. Yo, my throwaway trades are your scalps. Just the first 3 minutes of them. Let me see if there's comments on the YouTube. I really like to get into some sales. I just want to see something that's worth getting into. That's like highly probable, you know. 30 today flying, bro. If it is, bro, I'll get into buys. Like, bro, I don't think, like, I don't care about being right, bro. I care about making money. I mean, just because I'm wrong doesn't mean I'm in the trade. Like, so if I'm wrong, bro, and this thing flies to the moon or starts flying to the moon, okay, cool. Where's the best possible entry to get in on the retest of structure and so on and so forth? Love to see it. You know, just give me the trade. That's it. I don't care what way we're fucking going, bro. I don't give a fuck. So just give me the entry. And that's all I want. But I showed you why. I showed you why we were looking for sales. That this I'm not in this. I just called this out as like a little, hey, here's a really risky idea. You know, I'm not taking it, but I don't even recommend you to take it, but I was just giving an example. All right, here. So I don't know if you were on earlier, but we have a double top to some degree on the daily here, and I think we have a pull down. Doesn't mean we can't pull down and then pull down like 200 to 400, 500 points, or you know, even further, and then continue back up. But let's see this daily real quick. So we broke the 23.6. We come down. Next stop is 38.2. So that's like another 80 points or whatever. So I say we at least maybe come down to here. Then we gotta go through the 50. Then we gotta go through the 61.8. I'm giving y'all sauce right now. All right. You in? No, I'm not in. No. I trade with the cloud. I had an entry at 259. The cloud sounds like a scam. I'm just out here calling people's whole strategy scams. Alright, so now what I want you to see is this. Right? Come down, made our lowest low, came up. 5 minute broke above. This is a 5 minute though, so you got to keep this in mind. And then what we do, it seems that we made, so right now, a higher low. So now this is indication, early, very early indication that we could continue up. So, and potentially break this and potentially start moving beyond the 250 and come back down. We'll probably retest at 250 in this structure if we're gonna go up, and then continue up. So just watch, man. Sometimes I know what I'm talking about. If not, then this thing will tank down or whatever, or we'll get a big grab up and we'll be ready to sell. Like I'm reacting, bro. I'm not predicting. I'm calling out what I see, and I'm saying, hey, this is what I see. This is how I think things could go. But like I said, I'd rather make money than be right. and a lot for a lot of people, that's gonna go over your head. But yeah. Let's see, this 30-minute house about to close. We're just really oversold right now, bro. Like if we were up here, I'd have been in sales all day. But we're just really oversold right now, so I don't wanna chase nothing. Especially before volume, especially after a holiday, especially during NFP week. So chilling. Big chilling. I might go a little over 10 today, maybe. We'll see how the markets are looking, but I want to get a solid trade video. Get one today. If there's nothing there, there's nothing there. Ichimoku cloud is an indicator. Never used it. Probably never will. Sounds fucked. Dude, all these fucking indicators, bro. I think they're so silly. Anyways, I mean, hey, if it works, bro, if it makes you money, sis, then more power to you. Uh-oh. 927 volume starts to give us hints. It's starting to give us hints. Let's see. Starting to give us some hinties. Here we go. Uh-oh. Little move up. Watch. Pay attention, bro. Pay attention to what these next 2 minutes consist of, Watch the candles and how they move. So we can go down to the 1 minute. Okay. Coming below the 1 minute MA. That doesn't mean much at all. But still. It's a sign. It's a thing. This 5 minute close kind of doesn't matter, because that 930 volume is going to come in and sweep it up and do whatever the fuck it wants to do. This thing's going to go. Watch these cells be fucking nasty. That'd be funny. Like, I don't even want to take this trade, but it ends up being real nice. We'll see. Real nice or stopped out real quick. Probability just isn't high enough for me to take it. Interesting. It's like watching a sports game. Dude, it's so weird. At a certain point, you start like okay. Alright, see what's going on here. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, they just got a quarterback sack. Oh, they just threw the ball for 50 yards. Oh, they touchdown, It's funny. You in this trade? No, I'm not in this trade. This was an idea just to throw it out there, but I really would like to see a bigger pullback than this. I'd like to see a decent pullback, and if it's big enough, then I'd buy. But with the daily, this double top, I don't like the idea of buys. Also with this 4 hour break of structure, look on the 4 hour, guys. Up, higher, low, high, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. You can say this is higher, low, higher, high, or technically higher, high, higher, low. Sorry, my fucking chart's a Christmas tree. High, higher, low, lower, high, lower, low, What are we gonna do? Hopefully make a lower high and then make another lower low. That part. Alright, it's 9:30. What the fuck going on? So we got a little grabby. We got a little grabber. We got a little grabber, and guess what? And guess what? And guess what? Guess what? Let's see what happens. Woo! Nas 100 to the moon. All right, wait. Where's Nas at? Nas just fucking. I take that so. Oh, we might come to this hour though. Yeah, we might come to the hour. Nas might fly, honestly. Wait. This song's so funny. All right. US 30 fighting itself. Nas is flying, bro. Alright, we're at the 1 hour. That could be a great sell. Could be. That's rate of structure. There we go, US 30. Let's see what Nas is gonna do. If Nas breaks past this 1 hour, then probably gonna fly. All right, let's see. Let's see. This is a low. Let's see. I just don't like how Nas has been buying, like, really consistently. That's the only reason I'm being patient on this. I want to see how this 5-minute closes. Because it could break that and then fly. All right. Yeah, this could sell off. Now you do have this huge fucking pull up, so it could. I don't want to see it break this. I want to see it hold that. If we can hold that, then all right. So if you want to take this entry, that's the entry. That's the stop loss. We are at a pretty tough spot of resistance, as you can see. So keep that in mind. We just have a lot of volume to the upside, so be careful if you get in this. All right, 15. This could have some potential here. Obviously, this is not an idea anymore. All right. See how that goes. See what gold's doing. Boom, gold could buy. So it's looking like it's kind of breaking this. I wouldn't trust it. That next 5-minute close on Nas is important. So we'll see. I like this movement on US 30. I do. That's a great 4-hour though. That's a great 4-hour. Nas is looking. This 5-minute, if we can close a little lower, it'd be ideal. If not, then I think could continue up. If we could close like a doji, that'd be ideal. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna close kind of high, so yeah, be careful with that. Let's see, did we close to 204? Oh yeah, we closed above the 1-hour MA. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous. All right, this is going. Gotta stay in my zone. You on your own. You gone. So Nas is flying. US 30. Dope. And whoa. Oh. Now just booming to the moon, and yeah, now it's gonna fly for sure because of this right here. $38.2. This thing's probably gonna go fucking to the moon. All right, let's see. Nas 100 retest if this thing even comes down ever. I'd love to see it come down here, 15,175, 15,180. This number will move up as it goes up, as time goes on. I like 15,150. US 30 is looking fucking good actually for sells, kind of. See what this next 5-minute close is like though. And the 15. If we can get a 15-minute close below here, that'd be cool. Below 283, that'd be cool. If not, fuck it. It's having trouble breaking that 307 area. Let's see, Nas 100 wants to do its thing. This is really nice actually here off the 2-hour for buys. Let's see the daily. That's the resistance right there. That 15,250 is major resistance, so be interesting to see what it does around there. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Like this shit right there. We going to some Bacardi like this shit right there. See how it closes, see how it closes. If you got big balls, you could sell right there. Oh yeah, US 30 closed like it wants to go up, at least right now. But could be the grab. Putting in my flow. I like these US 30 sells, but Nas 100 to the moon. So it was interesting this last week, Nas 100 and US 30 were doing the opposite of each other. So be interesting to see if they're going to do the opposite again today. I mean, US 30 would have to sell, but doesn't look too promising. I want to see this 10-minute time frame, but it's not gonna let me. Might continue down. Let's see. This is the idea. That's the idea, but this break up is definitely not ideal. I could see us at least retesting this, the 255, 260 area, but we'll see. I forgot we were below the 2 hour. That's right. So notice the 2 hour. Notice the difference on the 2 hour between US 30 and NAS 100. 2 hours, something special for real. So five minute. If you look at the 1 minute too, notice double top. So let's see. Hit the 50. So now what we'd want to see is this break below the 250 again, but let's see. I want to say it break below the 250 again, but it might use that as support like we just saw. Damn, I don't even mean to hit that. Let's see the comments. Five minute close, like, yeah, like fucking wants to fly like this was retest. Watch. watch this. You can even do some shit like this. 50. Nas 100. You see a retest to the 200 area, or 175, 180 area, or 150. Just as you get to each level, pay attention. US 30 broke up, as kind of fucking determined by that last candle. So this idea is gone. Let's see. I use trade bank. Yeah, I mean, Nas could have like a retest, but I mean, this is pretty, just telling you what it wants to do quite a lot here. Like, Nas wants to go up. I mean, it already broke the highs, so find entries to go up on Nas for sure. US 30 is still pretty undecisive, actually. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful touch here. If we can close as a doji like we are seeing it, here's an idea. This is an idea. If we get more confirmation, so now this 15-minute closing, like with rejection off of that, is what we want to see. Like, we want to see that 15-minute closing with rejection off that. The only thing is that if you want to get that entry, that perfect entry, you might have to take a little risk. You might have to put yourself out there a little bit, you know. Went up in the studio and came up with another hit. These lyrics, though. About a bit, turn my swag on. I mean, look at the 1 hour. Low, high, low, or yeah, low, sorry. High, low, low. Well, really, this is the fucking low. High, low, high, low. So this right here, I mean, this is kind of interesting, but this right here is resistance for sure. So this whole area here, right here, check the way my chain had here, here. This was kind of it here as well. Gucci. Fuck it, it's too far back. I like this more now. So if you're gonna get in, get in. If you're not, don't. You see the man, who you call me Gucci. Yeah. Hey, bro. Yeah, this 1 hour is gonna close hopefully pretty nice. I mean, 2 minutes is a lot of time, so let's see. I like this though. I like this 5 minute, indecision here. We didn't break the 15-minute MA. I like that. 15-minute can close anything like it is looking right now, or better. That's great. Beautiful. And again, we want to see a break below this. So what we'll see is we'll see this break below, and then we'll come down, and then we'll probably retest this at some point as this comes down with the price. If that's what's gonna happen. That's what we'll see. More than likely. Body bullshit. If we can close like this on the 15, that's great. That's great. And the 30-minute like that, oh yeah. The 30-minute can close below these, below 279. That's ideal. Somewhere around there is cool, but below that is ideal. That'll be really solid confirmation. So let's see. We got 58 seconds. Anywhere below that structure really, but below 279 exactly it'll be really cool. Fuck up the party before it even starts. And bullshit, and party, and bullshit, and party, and bullshit. You get a little more of a pull down. Can we get this shit looks like you want to go up a little bit. Yeah. Might retest this 15-minute again. That's a good 15-minute closure. That's a good sign. Doji candle off of a 15-minute MA, off of structure. That's a good sign. It's a sign in the right direction. This 30-minute close above though, I mean, you could say this was the last 30-minute high, because this was kind of, we're oversold a bit here. This is all just kind of fluff, but we'll see. That 1 hour, I like this. I like that. Let's see what we gonna do. So technically, I could close out the live session right now, but I'll go a bit longer. See how this kind of turns out. Watch. It's probably a fucking 23.6. There's an entry. To catch this Nas flying. No, I wouldn't take that personally. It's just, I wouldn't take that. I'd want a better pullback. I'm surprised, honestly, at the lack of... I mean, I guess there was a bit of volume, but... There we go, US 30. Do what you do. Bitch on the balls. See the comments. Somebody said US 30 respected the... What did you say? US 30 respected the previous 4-hour high. This area here? Or when it came up here? I respected this. For this. Bitch in the balls. Damn, bro, 30. Good day from this side. Wish James is present. Hi, Josh. You in? Yeah, I'm in this. I'm in this short. But this shit, I like the 1 hour though. 1 hour looks good, but it just might take a minute to play out how I see it could play out, if it's going to play out. Could grab up more, we'll see. But I like the 15 minute, the 1 hour. Looks pretty decent. 30 minute looks pretty good with the wick. Yeah, it's gonna just, it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna do its thing. I'm actually surprised at the lack of volume, to be completely real. Bust down, US 30, bust down. I wish I could play drop it low, girl. fucking kick me. They'll give the YouTube a warning for like the 8th time. Not like the 2nd. I don't like that we're sitting above the 5-minute MA. Or below the 15. Obviously below the 30. 1-0. In 2 hours. This 2 hours, ideally we just keep staying below that. And ideally this 2 hour closes below this 2 hour, but again, this is the place we need to break. 257. That's the place we need to break down if this is going to go anywhere we want it to. If it's not, then we're not going to break that. There wasn't really, like, honestly, anything too solid today. There wasn't any trades that I saw and was like, oh, this is going to be phenomenal. Nas, if it would have shown resistance at that 1 hour, that could have been cool, but there's nothing that's like, oh, like after that big drop, like, you know, I just, with, over London, okay, bro. Well, that's all right. Popular, so proud of I was in the dark. Open your mind up and listen to Kendrick. I ain't touching you, not hitting you over history, Kendrick. Reach to the victory, Kendrick. I think I'm feeling the back, cause you're living the house. I go back. What influence for what you were doing? So I'm floating just around like 1500, chilling, waiting to see what this is gonna do. You could enter anywhere in here. Look, if you can enter anywhere around here, like anywhere around this 15-minute close, just bring this up here and take this down here. Like, you just don't have as good of a risk to reward. That's okay. It's still a good risk to reward where we're trying to take this. And really, you could say 150 to be safe if you want to, but I'm just putting this down here because that's that next structure. So yeah, probably what you trusted out in the right songs until you up like 24 or 500 right now. So again, we gotta break that 5 minute. Floating like 3. Somebody said show your phone that you really took the trade. Bro, I'm not fucking sitting here lying. Like, what the fuck? That's like bad vibes, bro. Okay, there we go. So floating like 4 right now, 4 to 5. So perfect. We need to break that though. We need to break that. That's major and important. We're getting the first sign that okay, we're going towards it, but we need to break that. Say what's up live. Obviously we're not gonna. Oh wait. Cool. See what it does. The only thing is, now that it's hit that 5-minute MA, is it can be like a springboard for it. So just gotta be aware. I said, don't be corny, bro. Yeah. So, like I said, be aware because this 5-minute could be like a springboard. Going through my brain. No, watch. This could be interesting. Nas 100 could start pulling down. 5 minutes. If this 15-minute closes below that, that's a pretty good sign. But you do have that 23.6 from down here, which could launch it, and it could just be having some trouble breaking that resistance there. All of this. But if it breaks that, gone. Gone at least up till 15,300, and then if it breaks that, then it's out of here. Y'all like, holy shit, the weekly time frame. And then I would say 15,500 area. Keep on going. Bro, have y'all heard the shit about Putin's like, he was called like Putin's chef or whatever, because he like owned a bunch of restaurants and shit, and he would always like feed Putin at him, and his like, it was like his best friend and shit. Now he's got like a mercenary army against him, and it, I guess, took a city in Russia or something crazy like that, and then Russia's dealing with all this stuff in Ukraine at the same time, and it's hectic, bro. Like, that shit's, people don't realize what's really going on, like behind what the news is telling you and all that. It's crazy. All right, that's a good 15-minute. I'll take that. It's a lower than, you know, we didn't get the continuation off the doji, we got the reversal, so that's cool. But now we just need to see that 5-minute. I mean, that 5-minute doji off that is not good. That's not pretty. It's not a good sign. So Just whatever you do, have your stop loss above this 15-minute MA. Which is at 34.15, let's call it. Really want your stop loss at least at 34.22. So now look at the springboard. Break up, retest. So now we want to see this thing continue down. That was big rejection. Damn. I think I slapped back down. What the hell? That was a good sign. It's those things, bro. It's those things you can't really teach. Like when I just said, like, look, damn, like that just went to go up and it just got slapped down like really fast. That's a good sign. And as you can see, but like nobody's teaching that, like how fast the candlesticks are actually moving, you know, and like what the candlesticks, how it's moving, you know. That's a huge look. Like, that's wild. It's wild. Live action. Okay, there's that 23.6. You know, that was an entry really, but there's that 23.6. That was actually your only entry on Nas to continue up, as far as I see it. That was your only valid entry probably right there. Yeah, in 1 minute. Boop 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 boop. 23.6 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times on the 23.6. To continue up. Well, probably at least go up to the 27, 15, 3, 45 area. All right, back under the 1 minute. Again, this is the area we need to break once again. So everything else is just temporary. Staying below 280 would be cool too. Below this 1 minute MA, just to have that little confirmation. Bust it down, US 30. Yeah, there's your entry. Could have got your entry right here for the second entry. Or if you missed the first entry, I mean. Woo! That's all crazy. Will Ferrell is different. You gotta hold on a little bit though. I just like want to like see what we're gonna do on live, so I can just go about my day. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your blue right from you. Bitch, I'm a ball. Beat the whole walls, loose. Hop in the fall, loose. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. They runs on me, keep me company. All right, that's a decent 5 minute close. It didn't bounce off there completely, but at the same time, it's like a double doji at the bottom. So we'll see. 15 minutes, could have literally had a 5-point stop on this. But here, under that, 23.6. Risky, but that's the only entry you had. If you want to be less risky, obviously you just pull that down. But that was a decent trade right there. We look all right. I mean, this is just a lot of indecision and consolidation, and it's gonna make a decision eventually, but for now it's chilling. So we'll see as time goes on, but I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. So with that being said, I'll be holding this. Just make sure again your stop loss is below this 15-minute MA, or above, sorry. So yeah, somewhere around 34,320. So with that being said, wish y'all the best. Hope you guys have a great day. Happy 4th of July, a little late, but yeah, appreciate y'all coming and watching, and have a beautiful day, guys. See ya.